Welcome back. It's time to talk about your money. Health insurance is an important financial tool in all times, but during a pandemic, we're more aware of the need, and you may have more questions about your health insurance policy. Here to share more about that in these times is U of I Extension educator Kathy Sweedler. Good morning, Kathy.
Good morning.
So, health insurance, why do we need that, right?
That's right. But sometimes you ask yourself that, and we need to keep in mind that health insurance protects us against those large medical expenses. It can also help us pay for smaller expenses that arise from, this and that over time. And then some of our policies also, in fact, many of them provide preventative services that are either free or low cost, and we need to utilize those too to get our full value from our policies.
So why is the topic of health insurance so important today?
Well, for many people, health insurance is tied to their employment. And with millions of people currently unemployed from losing their job, they may have lost their health insurance as well. And so it's very important for people to be thinking about that and looking for ways to get new health insurance. And one of the ways is to remember that the Illinois health insurance marketplace is available to people through the special enrollment program or period. If you've lost your health insurance in the last 60 days. And people can look at what their options are at getcovered.illinois.gov. So I just think it's very important for people who may be feeling like they have no options or they can't afford health insurance to check this out.
So what's one key concept to remember when you're comparing all of these plans?
Well, I think what we tend to focus on is the monthly health insurance premium cost. How much do I have to pay each month for this premium? And that is important. But we also need to take a look at the out-of-pocket expenses that can add up over a year. And a big piece of this is the deductible, how much you have to pay before the health insurance policy will start paying for costs. So when you're looking at different choices, weigh and balance, what am I going to pay monthly for my premium, and how much will I have to come up with out of pocket to fill in that deductible and other expenses? It's a challenge, but it's something else to keep in mind.
Very good. So is there some place where people can go to try to find some bullet points on this information?
Yes, well, I just participated in a University of Illinois Extension webinar called Health Insurance Dissected, and we now have it archived where anybody can listen to it and get more information about this, about how to shop for a health insurance plan. And you can go to go.illinois.edu/health insurance. So you could just even, send me an email at sweedler@illinois.edu, and I can point you to it if you need help with that. And of course, also our Money Mentors program is ongoing. So if you'd like to meet with a mentor for free confidential help, reach out to us or go online at go.illinois.edu/moneymentors. Lots of places for information.
Yeah, and the bottom line is, though, even though, everything's uncertain outside and it seems like some things are falling apart, the resources for health insurance are still out there.
That's right. And sometimes we forget about the fact that our state does provide subsidized health insurance, and you can get in during special enrollment periods, and you may qualify now.
Very good. All right, Kathy, thank you so much.
Thank you.